In a city where clocks run backward, a polite goblin librarian whispers recipes for impossible pastries to astonished tourists. A curiously absent-minded detective wears shoes that hop on their own, solving mysteries by following the scent of cinnamon. When the mayor asks for order, a talking teacup conducts a parade of rain clouds, while pigeons audition as brass players. Every culprit is a misprint of a dream, and the punishment is a glittering hug that lasts exactly 7 heartbeats. Our host, a moonlit janitor, guides viewers through the chaos with rubber chickens and riddles that sparkle with laughter.